Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a frustrating issue that's been bugging a lot of Mercari users. Why won't your card get accepted? This is episode 151, and we're looking at this from a 2025 perspective, where digital payments have gotten even more secure and complex. First off, let's understand the problem. Mercari is a popular marketplace app, but sometimes, when you try to add or use a card, it just won't go through. Don't worry. It's often fixable with a few simple steps. One common reason is security protocols. In 2025, with advanced fraud detection systems, Mercari might flag your card if it suspects unusual activity. For example, if you're using a card from a different country or if there have been recent unauthorized attempts on your account, the system could block it temporarily. Another possibility is that your card type isn't supported anymore. By 2025, Mercari has phased out older networks like some debit cards in favor of more secure options like contactless or digital wallets. Then, there's the issue of regional restrictions. Depending on where you are, local regulations might limit which cards can be used for international transactions. Plus, if there's a glitch in the app or your bank's system, that could cause rejections too. To fix this, start by double-checking your card details. Make sure the expiration date, CVV, and billing address are entered correctly. Update your Mercari app to the latest version, as 2025 brings new updates for better compatibility. If that doesn't work, try adding a different card or switching to a digital payment method like Apple Pay or Google Pay, which Mercari fully supports now. If you're still having trouble, contact Mercari's support team. They're super helpful and can investigate any account-specific issues. Remember, in 2025, privacy laws mean they might need extra verification, so be patient. By following these tips, you should be back to buying and selling on Mercari in no time. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.